Hey guys, it's time for science time. The number one thing about science is curiosity. And one of the basic questions that we have is, why is the sky blue? Why is the sky blue? Whoa, let's try to figure that out. You ready? Let's go. The sky looks blue because of three special things: light waves, the atmosphere, and your electromagnetic wave sensors. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is light waves, and one that produces light is the sun. Well, the sun sends off all kinds of different waves. What we're talking about is visible light. Alright, so a visible light rays, and the shortest wavelength that we can see is violet, and the longest wavelength that we can see is red, and the red is much slower, and the violet is much faster. So how we understand light waves is this: we take the frequency of the waves, how many times it comes by, plus the length of the wave. The distance between this point and that point is the length, and those two things together equal the energy. And the energy tells how it's going to interact with matter. Something like our electromagnetic wave sensors. Okay, we're going to get back to that. So we understand about light waves. Let's go to the next one. The next one is about our atmosphere. Our atmosphere is the atmosphere around our planet. So around our planet, there's all these different kind of molecules, and they're made up mostly of nitrogen, N2, and oxygen, O2, mostly nitrogen, and they're really, really small. So the likelihood of that really small light wave, the violet and blue, interacting with these really, really small molecules is really high. And so they go in there like, pew, 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 and they shoot them all over. So there's particles going all over the place of those really short light waves, the violet and the blue ones. It scatters it all over the place. All right, so now the third part. This is about your electromagnetic wave sensors. Those are your eyes. That's right, they're right on you. You have electromagnetic wave sensors. And so what happens is the light comes in from here, from the sun, on a different wave, and it comes in to tell you what's happening, depending on what wave. So it goes through your cornea, right here, goes into your lens. This lens is like a lens on a camera or a telescope or a microscope, the way that we see all kinds of different things, right? So it goes in there and tells you the brightness and tells you the color. And we can see blue a lot easier. That's why I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably asking, well, if the smallest light wave is violet or purple, why doesn't our sky look purple to us all the time? Well, that has to do with what we can see the most, the visible light. And that's why the sky looks blue!
There's only a few humans that have left this planet and seen this planet from another place. That's right, astronauts, and they've seen it from the moon. On the moon, there's no atmosphere. There's nothing to bounce off the light rays. And black absorbs all visible light. So that's why the sky from the moon looks black. That really helps us understand a little bit more, doesn't it?
All right. Okay, guys, that's why the sky is blue. All right, guys, stay curious and keep on sciencing.